Guys, welcome back to another video on Outlaws, and today we are going to do a lot of fun things, like how to upgrade your truck. So first things first, you go to upgrades, and then you go to customs, upgrades, or tunings. You can go to body kit. You can go whatever you want. See, like, I have my monster truck here, and I will be showing you the top speeds and how to upgrade your trucks. So while I'm loading into my map that I actually made, I will be just doing anything. Just hit me up and I'll tell you. So yeah, I should go. So I'm bringing my monster truck up to my house that's somewhere. So yeah, that is my best way and stuff. So yeah, if you guys don't want any clothes from my shop, hit me up and I'll send you some clothes. So yeah, I can send you a few guns if you guys want also. So yeah, we're jumping. So yeah, basically that's honestly how you do it. So yeah, basically this is my shop called Custom Make It. I've got my custom monster truck, custom not make it, and I got my custom monster truck I built. Yeah, so customs. So yeah, it's basically everything. But there's one more thing I want to show you guys. Go back to my yard. I'll show you my clothes. I bought everything, and I got my weapons. I got my guns. Like, just like this. So yeah, that's basically it for today. So yeah, see you guys next video. Bye.